So yeah, as you can see, my workspace is infested. My car is overrun. I'm suffering a little bit of a setback physically, and so like any project, it's off to a good start. Got the smoker running, hopefully calms him down a little bit. Got an engine that I guess I'll show you next while I keep trying to clear this shit out. So I got a chassis so far, drivetrain, transmission, 6-speed swap. I still need to get a front 5-lug swap with axles. I think larger axle size is probably more sturdy. They're both OEM and people seem to have differing opinions and results with what they've run. I'm sure angle is the most important thing, so we'll work on that. I only really found one set of mounts, which will even work for an all-wheel drive EM2. They're like the Hassport ESK all-wheel drive mounts. And yeah, that's absurd, so I'm gonna have to get that dealt with. Might as well get started. So this is what I got so far. So this is a 2003 Honda Civic Coupe. I picked this up for $750. It was a pretty good steal. I got some bonus parts that I'm gonna sell. It came completely stock in every way. It's got 180,000 kilometers. I recently had new brakes put on it. Has newish tires, new rims. It's a pretty neat little deal for a starter chassis. I got it at the beginning of last winter. When I looked at the car, it was rolling and parking, and I took it home that day. It has basically everything I need. This is a D17. These cars only came with the D series for all the 1.7 liters, and then some were K series. It has the manual trans, but I'm going to be swapping it for a CRV manual transmission, and I'm going to put a 6-speed gear set in it. The real reason that I chose this chassis wasn't just what was available to me, it was actually that these specific cars, the 7th generation Civic, the rear suspension is identical to the CRV, so you can actually bolt up the rear trailing arms and the hubs directly from the CRV. They are a little cambered out, you have to fix that with coilovers, but it's one of the cheapest ways to do an all-wheel drive swap, and you can't do custom fabricated rear trailing arms without like a lot of work.